In today's video, I'll walk you through installing the latest version of VirtualBox in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Here type in VirtualBox and hit enter. Click to open this first link to the official VirtualBox website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Click on the download button. Select Windows Hosts option. The download should begin automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and we're ready for the installation. Double-click the setup file to open the installer. You'll be greeted by the Setup wizard. Simply click Next. Here click Accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next. Choose the default settings for a hassle-free installation. After that, just click Install and let the process finish. VirtualBox is now installed, but we're not done yet. Let's launch it. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.